If your stainless steel liner looks like mine, I'm going to show you how to clean it. We're going to start with some white vinegar. Just pour enough in that it covers the bottom of the pot. Put the lid on and then set it to manual for 3 minutes. Once it's been under pressure for 3 minutes, then do a quick release of the pressure. At this point you can dump the vinegar out. I'm just showing here with a spatula that it's still not coming off super easy. Next we're going to take some baking soda and just using a rag we're just going to lightly scrub the bottom of the pot. As you can see here, it's coming off pretty easy. Keep lightly scrubbing until you've got the whole pot clean. Once you've got it cleaned, you can just rinse it out with water. I just did half here so you can see the difference. Here's what it looks like after I did the whole thing, and here's what it looks like after it's dried. Looks brand new. Thanks for watching.